All right, I'm gonna show you how a fat guy gets into a little tiny car. It's a 570S McLaren.
Mclaren.
So this is what we do. And I'll do a cold start for you too with the exhaust. So you gotta open the door all the way. You gotta make sure the door is all the way open. And you gotta hike up your pants so your butt crack doesn't show.
Which it will.
There you go. And then, because you don't want to scratch anything or drag your feet across stuff, or you don't want to mess the car up. So you got to be as delicate as possible. All right, so here we go. First, got to hike your pants up, so you got plenty of wiggle room. Then you put your hand here on the seat, grab the steering wheel, squat down in a squat position, put your foot in, sit on the tub, slide down to get your head in. I'm 6'4", so you slide your butt over into the seat, gently pull your leg in.
And it's not the spiders, so the top can't just come off.
And look. And then you sit
Is your head
yourself in here.
touching?
Yeah, I got about an inch till I hit the top, but as you can see, I'm in here. I'm very snug in here. I'm not going anywhere. I probably don't even need a seatbelt. All right, cold start, go to the back. Ready?
Yep.
I might have failed to mention, make sure the seat's all the way back, or else you're not getting in here. Then we just grab the door. And then I can't really see out of the windows. To drive, I gotta do this. And then once I pull it out, and I gotta park it so we can get it out in the morning, I'll show you how I get out.